Welcome back to Turn 5. Let's start off with Awkward High Five. You know what I found interesting?
What?
This morning, there are less exotic cars on the road down to the Twin Cities than there normally are.
Well, honestly, it might be about the same as usual because it's usually just mine.
Oh, this is fun. It's fun to drive an exotic sports car in the winter. Daily driven, baby. Today, you might wonder why we're heading down to the cities to get an oil change.
Instead of going and seeing Magic Mike.
Well, we went on a rally last year, and Tyler won an annual service from our favorite car dealership, Porsche St. Paul.
So, we decided, since it expires this year, we gotta go.
Speaking of car rallies, let's give them a little bit of spoiler alert. Next year, what car rally did we get invited to / sign up for?
Well, it's called the Cannonball Rally, and it's not the one that you guys think about as being the super hyper famous one. It's just the northern Minnesota one.
Which is still hyper famous. We're gonna make it hyper famous. Make sure you click like, comment, subscribe, and come along with us. We'll show you what it's like to get taken care of at the Porsche dealership for an oil change. Bill of health.
Yeah, I guess you can successfully drive a Porsche Cayman in the winter without causing any additional damage.
You know what I gotta say about that? Sender, bud!
Yep.
Oh, what an experience it is to daily drive an exotic sports car. I know we don't have Lamborghinis or Ferraris,
but one day we will.
This is pretty exotic. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, coming along. It is worth it, I think, to bring your car to the Porsche dealer for an annual service.
I think for an annual, yes. I think for every other thing, take it to an independent shop. But for an annual service, it's also good to keep them seeing the car because then they know, oh, this car's been serviced here. We've seen it more recently, so when you go to trade it in, you get a good deal.
And my favorite thing about getting a Porsche service at the Porsche dealer is how fast the garage doors open and close. It's not how dedicated they are to the craft or how good they are at working at Porsches. It is just how quick the garage doors open and close.
It's instantaneous, I'm pretty sure. Like, it's from the bottom to the top instantly.
We just have to say again, thank you so much to Porsche of St. Paul for everything that they do for us, for taking care of our cars,
for everything. They give us amazing cars so that you guys can see them. Then they also take care of our cars. They just look out for us, and we recommend you go there for anything you ever need.
How about we end this video with a nasty on-ramp pull? There's a little bit more traffic here than there is in our little town of the north.
Yeah, we tried to do the on-ramp pull. It didn't work. There was about 50 million cars.
Well, hey, thank you guys for watching.
Make sure to click like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope I don't die while this guy's driving me home.
Awkward high five.